Tired of old and worn-out wooden furniture? Let's revive this wooden rack with a simple DIY makeover. Watch as I transform it, step by step using SANCora SOLAR Skin. First, clean the rack, then sand it for a smooth surface and better primer adhesion. Now for the first coat. We're using SANCora SOLAR Skin, a high-quality primer and finishing product. Thin SANCora SOLAR Skin with 10% to 20% thinner to get a smooth consistency. Then, apply an even coat with a brush or roller. Let it dry completely before moving on to the next step. Once the primer coat is dry, it's time for the finishing touch. Allow the first coat to dry for at least 5 hours before recoating. Recoat with SANCora SOLAR Skin for a flawless, durable finish, then let it dry thoroughly. And there you have it, a beautifully restored wooden rack that looks as good as new. With just a little effort and the right products, you can breathe new life into old furniture.